What RPM is that?
2,500.
Okay. Take her up to 5 grand.
$5,000 right there.
Yeah.
Okay. We just replacing a whole bunch of stuff. Maybe.
Yeah, he went over all that with me.
Okay.
Yep.
What you want? What are you?
Yes, go take it up to 7,500 maximum. Okay. Now if we could do the other stuff we did on another machine, move it in X, Y, and Z, do a tool change.
I didn't turn the spindle on.
No, that's fine. No, that's fine. I already saw the spindle moving.
I turned the spindle on.
Awesome. Thank you. Do a tool change.
I don't know how many tools in there.
That's fine.
I'm gonna just, I don't,
That's
just
fine.
guess it.
Awesome. Thank you.